Sony Online Entertainment is a pioneer in the space of massive multiplayer games. We've been around for more than a decade with a fantastic company that's always pushing the boundaries of not just entertainment, but the technological boundaries of how many people can play on a server and build those communities of players. We needed tag management to help us overcome the bottleneck that we were having, because as more requests were coming in, we didn't have the staff to meet all the demands. We were seeing that our sites were becoming bloated with old stuff, new stuff, and we were getting requests from multiple departments, and we honestly just couldn't keep up with it.
Sony Online Entertainment selected Telium mainly because of the user interface and how quickly the tags loaded. The user interface not only was easy to use by developers, but also by people outside the development community, like marketing and our web producers. Another thing that was great was that the tags were available in the interface all the time, so if I needed to add a new tag, it was just simply a click instead of a phone call.
Sony Online was predisposed initially to pick a different vendor in the tag management space, and that was based on a recommendation that a peer of mine at another division of Sony, what his recommendation was based on his experience. And I had the contract already in our legal department to move forward when we were introduced to Telium. We brought Telium in, liked what we saw. The proof of concept that we decided to do was for 1 month, and honestly after 2 weeks of putting them head to head across 2 different sites, it became clear. Within 2 weeks we knew Telium was the winner. At the end of the day, Sony Online really didn't have much of a choice. It was easy to choose Telium. So one of the benefits we saw at Sony Online Entertainment of using Telium was it allowed me to basically recapture about 80% of the time that my developers were using on developing these sites, these products that were previously allocated to tag management. By getting them back, we could put them on more productive, more higher priority items, but still at the same time, when marketing came in with last minute requests, things that they wanted to do, campaigns, we could do them in minutes now instead of having to have a 2-week schedule.
One example of the marketing agility that Telium gives us is I've had tag requests come in at 2:06 p.m. on a Friday evening. Without Telium, it would not have been implemented. With Telium, I implemented it in 32 minutes.
It's been really beneficial at Sony Online to have a product like Telium, because our marketing requirements change all the time, whether it's a different campaign than what was originally pitched, or in the last year we changed our business model to become a free-to-play. At this point, we moved from having our users just coming to our site to be able to see information about a product to where we have a new goal where they need to create an account, download the game, get into the game. That is our one opportunity. So to change our metrics, change our goals, change everything really about our company, Telium allowed us to be able to make these changes on our sites instantaneous almost.
Telium fits into our evolving data strategy. Being able to put more data into Telium means we're less reliant on other third-party web analytics providers.
I thought Telium's customer support for Sony Online was outstanding. Everything from our initial meeting to the onboarding to providing us training, getting our questions answered on ways we tried to do more advanced things. Everything was always fast, easy, and if there was something that our rep didn't know, they found out immediately. It was just a fantastic experience.